Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by working on damp, manageable hair, about 70% dry, because dampness gives control and prevents frizz. Apply a small amount of styling cream or gel evenly from roots to ends. This adds hold and shine. Next, brush your hair straight back using a firm brush to align strands and define the hairline. This step matters because the net will lock in that alignment. Once done, pick a hair net size to cover without pulling at the ears. This ensures comfort. Now you apply the net with calm, deliberate motions. Hold the top edge with your thumbs and stretch it downward over your head so it sits just above the forehead. Make sure the net lays flat. Once over, use a fine-tooth comb to tuck any loose strands at the nape into the net in small sections, which prevents bumps and bulk. Then, secure discreet bobby pins at the temples and crown. Avoid pinning on the hairline to prevent distortion. These steps preserve the sleek silhouette and give long-lasting hold. Finish the look with a careful mist of hairspray from about 6 to 8 inches away to lock shine without stiffness. This helps the net blend into the hair. Inspect under bright light and smooth any visible edges with the comb. If you see stray hairs, tuck them back and repin where necessary. If you feel bulging or uneven tension, take the net off and redistribute hair more evenly, or try a firmer net. This troubleshooting keeps the finish sleek and comfortable for hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.